Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you essay on Malala Yousafzai. So let's get started with today's video. Malala Yousafzai was born on July 12, 1997 in Mingora in the Swat Valley of Pakistan. She is a youngest Nobel laureate and Pakistani activist for female education. Her father's name was Ziauddin Yousafzai and mother's name was Torpekai Yousafzai. She has two younger brothers. Her father, an educational activist, taught her Pashto, English, and Urdu. She started speaking about education rights in 2008 when she was just 11 years old. She addressed an audience at a local press club in Peshawar and questioned the audacity of the Taliban to snatch away her basic right to education. She began writing an anonymous blog for BBC Urdu website under the pseudonym Gulmakai. The idea of a schoolgirl blogging about the Taliban's growing influence in Swat was originated by Amir Ahmad Khan of BBC Urdu. To blog about the Taliban was a very risky decision, but Ziauddin Yousafzai himself insisted that 11-year-old Malala do it. She wrote about how fewer girls dared to attend school because of the Taliban and how the Taliban had forced the schools shut. When she was returning home from school on 9 October 2012, a Taliban gunman shot her in the head. She survived the shooting and received immediate treatment at a hospital in Peshawar and was later transferred to Birmingham, England for further care. Eventually, she recovered and resumed her studies at the all-girls Edgbaston High School in Birmingham. Her ordeal with the Taliban and her miraculous survival led to an outpouring of support from all corners of the world and helped her in furthering her cause. She gave a speech at the United Nations on her 16th birthday in 2013. The United Nations dubbed the event Malala Day. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize along with Indian activist Kailash Satyarthi of India for their struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the right of all children to education. She received many other awards. Malala Day is celebrated on July 12 every year. Malala Day is celebrated to honor women and children's rights around the world. If this video was helpful to you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care, and now I will meet you in my next video.